Luke Newton is an English actor. Newton grew up in Shoreham-by-Sea, West Sussex. He has a younger sister, Lauren. Their parents divorced and their mother, Michelle, remarried in 2006. Newton's father was a singer on Stars in Their Eyes, and his two maternal aunts were on the West End. Newton attended St. Nicolas and St. Mary's Primary School and then Northbrook College, Sussex. Newton was scouted by an agent in Brighton while he was in a local production of Billy Elliot. He went on to train at the London School of Musical Theatre. Over the summer of 2023, Newton did voice work for the Portuguese animated film Vienna, The Legend of the Golden Hearts as Thomas, a Portuguese guitar craftsman who falls in love with Princess Anna. Luke Newton reportedly dated actress Sophie Sinnett from 2016 to 2018. The two were co-stars on the Disney Channel series The Lodge. He later dated Jade Davis from 2019 to 2023. Most recently, Luke has been linked to dancer Antonia Romeliotti. In 2020, Newton began playing Colin, the third eldest Bridgerton's son, in the Shondaland-produced Netflix period drama Bridgerton. A supporting character in the first two seasons, it was announced in May 2022 that he and co-star Nicolas would lead the third season. A change from Julia Quinn's Regency romance book series in which their characters lead the fourth novel romancing Mr. Bridgerton. Bridgerton Season 3 will be released by Netflix in two parts in 2024. In 2010, Newton made his television debut in the BBC Two teen series The Cat as Luke Atwood, appearing on 11 episodes. Newton made his professional stage debut as an elder prize understudy in the West End run of the Book of Mormon in 2013. The following year, he appeared in 2 episodes of the BBC soap opera Doctors as Sam Hearn. From